Hello and welcome to the Django GraphQL Query Fundamentals course. My name is Xander. This tutorial is part of a whole course playlist available for free on YouTube. For deeper learning, the extended course is available for purchase at Udemy. Now you'll find all the resources and links in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to define many-to-many relationships in our Django model. This type of relationship is useful when you need to connect multiple items from one model to multiple items in another. So our primary goal here is to understand how to set up a many-to-many relationship, including a custom link table between two Django models. Right, so let's take a look at our ERD diagram. We can see that we have a many-to-many relationship. Well, I can see at least there is a many-to-many relationship between products and promotion events. And we also have a many-to-many between orders and products. So why I realize that is because, well, first of all, I designed this database, but second, I know that this table here, this product promotion event table and this order product table is a link table or through table. There are a few different names for this table, but what we have here is a many-to-many relationship between, for example, products and promotion events. So let's just model this data. We have product and promotion event table. So let's say that we add a new record in product, so primary key 1. We may have some sort of name for this product, so whatever that might be, and that should do absolutely fine. Right, so we then have a promotion event. So let's give this a primary key, this first record of promotion event. Let's give this event some sort of name. So let's just call this Easter sale. Okay. And then let's create a second promotion. Let's call this buy one, get one free. So a bog off event. There we go. So we now have two promotions and say one product. Right, so let's connect this up a little bit. So we're going to now say within this promotion, this first promotion, the Easter sale, let's connect that to product number 1. So let's just say we create this foreign key, and then we connect that to product 1. Great. And then the second promotion here, we also want to make this product part of that promotion. So we create this foreign key like we did in the previous tutorial when we created a one-to-many, and we add that in. The problem we have here is that within our business logic, we want to connect multiple products to individual promotions. So let's say we want product 1 and product 2 and product 3 to be part of the Easter sale, and then product 1, product 9 and product 11 for the bog off event. The rules of creating relational databases tells me that I cannot add multiple values in one field. So therefore I need some sort of way of breaking that up into a new structure which ensures that I only have one value in each field. So what I have here is a many-to-many relationship between product and promotion events, because for one product, it's connected to multiple promotions, and one promotion is connected to multiple products. So if I break that down, it becomes a many-to-many relationship. So when you define a many-to-many field in our Django model, Django automatically creates the third table, our link table, often called a junction table, a join table. Now, like I mentioned, it is possible for us to create it manually, and that is what we've done here. So we have our product and promotion event table, and you can now see that we have this link table here, this product underscore promotion events table. And what we have here is a primary key and two foreign keys. So in order to model the data, the related data with our link table, we can create a optional primary key in this new link table, and then we define the product. So the product foreign key, and then we need to define the promotion foreign key. So what happens now when we want to link a product with a promotion event, we need the product foreign key. So let's go for number 1 to link it to this first product. And then we're going to need the promotion primary key and store it here in this foreign key field. So let's connect this product to this promotion here. And now, of course, if we have more promotions, so if we had product number 2, we can also then go ahead and define that product number 2 and connect it to this promotion. So you can see how we have now removed the duplicate values that we had here previously when we tried to connect multiple products to a promotion, and that's now been converted into a single table where we're able to follow the rules of relational databases and ensure that we have one value per field. Okay, so back in our models, we have already created the linked table, product promotion event, and now I've gone ahead and created the 2 fields, which are both simply foreign keys as we created them before in other models. So we define our fields, product and promotion event, over to the product and promotion event, or referencing the product and promotion event models or tables. We then specify the link to the model, in this case product to product, and promotion event field here to the promotion event table, and then we can define our onDelete behavior. Now at this point we have simply defined the linked table, and potentially Django knows about the table, the fact that it exists, but it doesn't necessarily know that there is a relationship at this point between products and promotion event. So we can add some additional information, let's say from the product model. So to help us easily access and query from the product table over to the promotion events, and to let Django know that there is a many-to-many relationship between products and the promotion event, we've set up promotion events. Now, this is inside of the model, but this will not appear in the table as a field. This will simply be some metadata that Django can use to determine the fact there is a many-to-many connection or relationship from product to promotion events. So here we specify many-to-many field. We define the model that we're linking to, so from product to promotion events, and then we define how to get there, and that's through the linked table product promotion event. And as we start querying the database, this can give us better control over how Django references the relationships. Like we started to explain in the previous tutorial, the related name option lets us control the reverse relationship and how it's accessed when we write queries. Okay, so we do have a second many-to-many relationship. You might like to set that up yourself, but I'll take you quickly through how to build this order products model. Notice this time, this link table has an additional field called quantity. And this is a good example of why we've created our custom link table, because we wanted to add some additional fields that's relevant to our setup. By adding the quantity here, we're able to reference the order ID, the product ID, and then how many of that product was ordered. Right, so I've added 3 fields in the order product model: order, which is a foreign key, over to the order model or table. And then we have our product field, which is again a foreign key, over to product. And then I've added the quantity field, which is going to be an integer field. Like we did with the product model, within the order model here, we've created our many-to-many field to reference the many-to-many relationship between order and products. So here I've named this products. I've created our many-to-many field. I've specified the table that we are linking to from order as our many-to-many relationship, and then I've specified the through table, our link table that we've defined here at the bottom. Again, I've added the related name. It is going to be optional, so that would work without, but this again is just going to allow us to control our queries, particularly reverse relationships when we're querying from opposite sides of the relationship. So we've now covered the basic steps of modeling a many-to-many relationship here in our Django model. We've learned that we can manually create our link table. We then define our foreign keys within the model, and then we can go ahead and define a many-to-many field. And this is how Django can then handle the relationship behind the scenes. Now, what we've done so far might seem a little bit abstract at this point because we haven't necessarily queried our models yet. So understanding the different types of relationships and the point of what we're doing, if you like, really is only emphasized by actually querying our table. So once we get to the point we start querying our database, I'm sure at that point we'll start to look deeper and to really utilize what we've discussed here in the tutorial so far in respects of creating relationships and building, for example, many-to-many fields so that we can define how we can query across tables and collect related data.